What is so special about this particular technology that we even need to have this conversation?
I think artificial intelligence is going to reshape every society around the world. It's going to reshape jobs. It's going to reshape the way we interact with each other. And before we wake up one day and find that we're living in a new world, we should have a thoughtful conversation and make conscious decisions about what we want that world to look like.
So, Harry, is there a really good example of how we could see AI benefiting humanity imminently?
Yeah, I think AI is already having a lot of impact to our society. Take, for example, farming. What you can really do with all the sensors and collect the data, go to the cloud, applying AI, and give the farmers the suggestions. And there are many other areas. AI is going to have more impact in the transportation, healthcare, and many others.
It's fascinating to think about the need to cure cancer. I think it's clear at this point that human beings are not likely to cure cancer alone. We're going to do it with the help of computers, with large data sets, with AI.
So natural progression of human possibility and human potential, that's the dream. What's the concern, Brad?
I think there are two fundamental questions. The first is we have to ask, now that computers can do all of these things, what should computers do? How should they do these things? What are the ethical principles that we should apply when we're creating and then using artificial intelligence systems? And how should societies around the world think about this and even potentially regulate or define rules? That's the first. The second big question is, what does this mean for our lives, our jobs? How are jobs going to change? And perhaps most importantly, how are we going to equip our children and ourselves so that they're ready for this future and ready to fill the jobs that will be created?